Hi, today I'm going to show you how to edit your content slider, which is this image you see here. It's also known as a carousel. So this is what you call a fixed width content slider. There's another one that's full width, so it depends on which template you choose, right? So we have full width. Full width means it covers the full width of the page, okay? So this is fixed width, right? So the size for the images or slides used for a fixed width like this is usually 1440 px times about 400 to 500 px in height, okay? So for full width, it's usually 1920 in width times about 700 or 800 px in height, right? Just remember to optimize your images before you upload them to your store. This is because the lighter your images, the faster your page loads. So you can use free software like GIMP, right? Or you can use Photoshop or other image editors, or you can use web or browser-based software, free software like tinypng.com. Just drag and drop images. I think they allow you up to 20 images, right, a day, if I'm not mistaken. So it'll optimize your images for you, then you download them, then you can upload them to your store. So let's learn how to edit your slider. Okay, first of all, log into your store. You'll see the dashboard. At the top navigation bar, click the view store link, right, followed by design at the top right of the page, followed by layout. Next, click the OK button, followed by the click to edit slider link. Right, so there are 3 examples here which I've uploaded earlier. So as you can see, the location of the CTA is different, right? There's actually a third one which is at the center, but I didn't see the need to use it. And there's one without any text or links at all. So let's just drag and drop one here. So I do not advise using this particular one, because if it's only going to be for aesthetics, it's going to defeat the purpose of having a hero shot or a slider, because the main purpose is to attract the attention of the visitor, right, using the image, and to entice the visitor to make a purchase using a CTA, right, or using an offer. Then the CTA is to buy now, a call to action, right? So if it's going to be just for aesthetics, then you might as well not have an image there, because nowadays people have a very short attention span. So you want to grab the attention and get them to buy as fast as possible, complete the purchase process before they change their mind, right? So let's just get rid of this one here, clicking the X, right? Okay, so let's change an image. Okay, let's learn how to change an image. Click the camera icon, followed by the upload your image link here. All right, so I'm going to select an image I've prepared, one right here. This is the one I downloaded from Pixabay, which is free. Okay, this is just an example, but in real life you want to use your own images because it has to be your own product. Okay, so I'm just going to double click on this one. Okay, so the image is right here. So notice that the text is not blocking the image, unlike here. So this is an example of what not to do. You don't want the text to be blocking the subject. So either the subject's on this side, or you pick the CTA or the offer that's on the other side. In this case, it should have been this one here, right, where the text is on the left. Okay, all right. So let's make the offer a bit more enticing. Let's say it's 70%. Okay, 70%. And next thing you want to do is you want to make it convenient for the customer to get to the product page, okay, so that you can select options, probably because the dress comes in different colors or different sizes and so on and so forth. So you want to link it to a product page. So for example, let's just get one here. Okay, I'm gonna just copy the last bit. Okay, you can use the whole URL, but the last bit will do. I'm just gonna copy it. Okay, I'm going to link the image as well as the button, okay, for convenience sake. Okay, because you want to link it to the product page because you don't want to force the customer to search for the product. That just takes more time. It might be frustrating for the customer. Okay, so I'm going to click the chain icon, which is actually the link at the link section. Yes, okay, put in that bit here, and the buy now button, edit the link for that too. Change this one at the link section, click OK. Alright, so everything is done. Oh, by the way, you can also change the sequence if you want, right, by clicking this green icon and pulling it here if you want to. Right, I'm going to put it back. Okay, and save changes. Click save again. Okay, that's done. Alright, let's see how it looks on the live site. Okay, so you can notice if the cursor goes onto the image, well, the first one though, right? Okay, it changes, so it's there's a link there. This means there's a link there. So I'm going to click here, or the image. It will go, or it will direct the customer to the product page where they can, if there are options, they can select the option and then add to cart and then proceed to checkout. So that's how you edit your slider.